The next one on the box in the list is wang potato, which is a fried potato stick snack. It actually looks like
French fries.
French fries.
Okay.
Right.
That's about 3 of them you can see. There's one.
Quite nice. I won't say they taste like fries, but
They taste like these onion rings, which we get from Coles in the foreign food aisle.
Korean.
Onion rings we get there.
Pepperoni.
This one we haven't actually tried yet. We forgot about it last when we first tried. This one actually has a message on the back. To us. Or to my
Pepperoni choco cookie.
Might worry about that. Oh my gosh.
They're all stuck together.
I shouldn't. But like bits of like Oreos or
Yummy. We also got blueberry yogurt.
Oh.
Peanut pepperoni.
And
Skinny pepperoni.
so we're not going to be trying
that one is not being opened. It's actually going to someone special. I've also noticed with the XO Skinny, there's like a gift card on the back.
It's on all.
So,
which is all.
Yeah.
It's
That's going
all of
to
the boxes.
be
There's but
handy.
Like on the choc cookie, we actually got a message. This one.
That's a peanut. Peanut looks very much the same.
But it's got white peanuts, which are actual peanuts, most probably.
And you can definitely taste the peanut.
I can't. I taste chocolate.
Chocolate overpowers the peanut, huh?
Yeah, I can taste it.
Oh.
And the last thing we're trying
So
for the
blueberry.
pepper is the blueberry yogurt.
The blueberry yogurt is an interesting one.
Very different.
It's got a hole down the centre where they've put the blueberry yogurt.
And with mine, I've actually got bits of it, but it looks like a bit of overspilling. Can't really see it in there.
They're really, really yummy.
Tastes like the homemade stuff, isn't it?
The next one was a traditional wheat sesame oil cookie. Unfortunately, there were only 2 in the pack.
So when we tried to do the unboxing, we ate them, so.
It tastes very much like almondy, not like the honey almond, but it tastes almost almond pasty. It's interesting.
Then the next thing.
Show them the pack again.
It was very different from the pack.
Corn shell. Corn snacks with chocolate mixed with rice powder. And it definitely tastes like rice cracker or something, but it's not like you can't taste the chocolate. We have, oh, they're jumping out of my hand. Super sour Coke jellies.
It's a stretchish one, but doing that. They're more sour than the like Coke Boys you get here. The Hasbro sort of stuff.
Don't forget, Gabraelle, I don't know where we are. In Australia.
Okay. There's only one of those left. Want me to get a knife and chop it?
No.
I can. You're going to take
I'll have it. No, you can have it if you want.
No.
These traditional snack pumpkin soft candy. They actually are very much the consistency of a caramel. And are a very sweet, or a sweet pumpkin candy. You trying to show off your mushroom?
In the corner. Oh, in the corner. Well, she's trying that. I'm trying mine. She's got one too. Show you the back of the box. Because the front is actually teared open. I'll be back in this in the kitchen. Here's the actual thing. I'll show you in the corner. Down there. Card is down there. So I did scribble. Just flip the top off. The actual biscuit is like a bone shape.
Also very yummy. The best way to show you this next one is to show you the wrapper.
I want to have
The
one.
strawberry choco pie. You can have some later.
Okay.
Which is a choco pie with strawberry inside.
Oh, it's crummy. It's like a marshmallow with biscuits and chocolate on top.
Almost a marshmallow,
Wagon wheel.
wagon wheel type thing.
But this is a strawberry and for you. And that's all.
And that's basically all for this month. I strongly actually recommend this box.
And
This is their 4th issue so far, and the second month that I've got it, and I'm not looking at stopping anytime soon. I look forward to this, as do the kids quite obviously.
And next month, hopefully, there's no promises or anything, be doing a Japan crate. Wanting to try that. Gonna see about doing that, so.
I'll put the details for Career Box down in the comments so that you guys can actually. One moment. No. The link for Career Box, so you can get your own, down in the comments. I will put my details of my page, or pages, and I will also put the details of Gabraelle's YouTube down in the comments. Thank you, and hopefully in the future we'll be doing more unboxings and tastings. Thank you.